my collaborator, Mike Vatsa. So topic modeling has been effectively utilized for information retrieval in text domain for quite a while, but it is very recently, like around 10-12 years, that researchers in face recognition in image classification community started to look at it for topic modeling. If you look at the figure that is there, it's from a paper from Sudhir et al. In 2005. What they tried to do was they tried to use topic modeling to learn topics from scene classification. So this image could be described in terms of llama, sky, tree, and grass. So looking at this, I'm a researcher who loves working in face recognition. So because of that research area, I keep interacting with law enforcement officials very often, and I've often seen that they use this manual and automatic tools to create composite sketches depending on using the witness testimony. So we started wondering, can we describe faces as well in terms of face regions or face topics, similar to the scene classification and topic modeling in text classification? So what we did was we used this Latent Direchlet Allocation, which is a very popular technique in topic modeling. So LaDial assumes that there are some underlying latent topics according to which documents are generated, and each topic is represented as a multinomial distribution. So we took this technique, but it's not so simple to apply directly from text data to image data. And the very primitive and the basic challenges that we faced was LaDial, as we call it, is designed to deal with unstructured textual documents, whereas face in itself is a very well-structured object. And the second thing was LaDial is designed to operate on discrete data, whereas face descriptors that we generally use are continuous valued. So how do you overcome these challenges? And the second question, the second question that we wanted to answer was that using these LaDial, can we come up with face topics, and are these face topics discriminative enough so that we can use them for face recognition, which is the end goal of face recognition? So to answer these questions and understand a bit more, we came up with this architecture which works on facial templates, which are generated using the golden ratio template. And on these facial patches, we apply this LaDial based feature descriptor. This LaDial based feature descriptor is a combination of different feature extractors, which is then clustered to address the discrete and continuous formulation difference in LaDial, followed by making it discriminative using subspace LDA, because topic modeling in itself is an unsupervised technique, and for face recognition we wanted to make it supervised. So we use simple subspace LDA for now to project it into our subspace, where we can differentiate between the interclass and interclass variations. And finally, a simple metric of cosine distance is used for matching. So using this throughout this process, what we came up with is analogy between face and text. So words, document, and topic in a text document, how can you represent them using face images, using vector quantized image features, face topics, and a patch document? And to evaluate the effectiveness of this algorithm, we use two different databases, CMU Multiply and extended PRIP composite sketch to face dataset. So CMU Multiply contains variations due to pose, illumination, expression, all three. In this experiments, we have right now worked with illumination and expression together. And looking at the results, and the dataset contains more than 50,000 images. CMU Multiply the variations that we chose. So with these many images, we could see that it increases the accuracy significantly, and even more encouraging results were obtained on the sketch to photo matching datasets. You can see an improvement of more than 35% compared to more than 25% compared to an existing commercial face recognition algorithm. And this is just the first work which modulates LaDial into face recognition, and there are a lot of extensions and a lot of interesting things that can be done, and I'll be happy to discuss them with you over my poster. Thank you.